Good morning students of class 6. Welcome back to division physics classes. Now today we like to discuss that the magnetic property can pass through a screen. The magnetic property can pass through a screen. Now see the board. Magnetic effect can pass through a screen. So how can you prove this? To prove this, you can perform an activity. What activity? You just take a cardboard. On the top surface of the cardboard, you just take some iron fillings. Below the cardboard, you take a bar magnet. So after this arrangement, you are able to see that maximum iron fillings attracted near the end of the magnet. The maximum iron fillings attracted near the end of the magnet. Okay, this activity shows us even if there is a cardboard, but the magnetic property of the magnet is observable through this cardboard also. Therefore, we can say the magnetic effect can pass through a screen. So after this, student, we have to know the process of demagnetization and care of a magnet. Process of demagnetization and care of a magnet. So what do you mean by demagnetization? See, the process of destroying the magnetic properties. The process of destroying the magnetic properties of a magnet is called demagnetization. Means the process by which you can destroy the magnetic properties of a magnet is called the demagnetization. There are several methods by which you can lost the magnetic properties of a magnet. The process are: number one, by hammering the magnet strongly. If you hammered a magnet strongly, the magnetic properties of the magnet can destroy. Secondly, by hitting the magnet strongly, and keeping it in the east-west direction. By this method also you can destroy the magnetic properties of a magnet. Thirdly, by dropping the magnet repeatedly on a hard surface. So if you just drop a magnet on a hard surface repeatedly, then the magnetic properties of the magnet also can destroy. Okay, and lastly, by self-demagnetization. What do you mean by self-demagnetization? If you keep a magnet freely, the magnetic properties of the magnet continuously loses very slowly. That process of losing the magnetic property of a magnet is known as the self-demagnetization. Now, you can avoid this self-demagnetization. But to avoid the self-demagnetization, you have to keep the magnets in proper way. So therefore, you have to know how can you keep the magnet to avoid the self-demagnetization. Now see, we have to keep the magnet such a way that their opposite poles are joined. And this is done by placing soft iron pieces across the both end. Now see the diagram. Okay, now this is north and south pole of a magnet. This is south and north pole of another magnet. Okay, now the opposite poles, that is south pole and north poles of these two magnets, are joined by a soft iron keeper. Here also north pole and south pole of these two magnets are joined by a soft iron keeper, and between these two magnets you can place a wooden piece. So by this arrangement, if you keep the two magnets, then the magnetic property of the magnet never lost due to the process of self-demagnetization. Now student, read this portion very carefully, okay, and go through the chapter from your Prachi book. If you face any problem, you can contact with me. Thank you.